Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a must-have bob unit from OMGQueen. I'll have all their information linked down below, as well as a direct link to this wig. So this wig is their Virgin Brazilian Yaki lace front wig, and it is a bob. It's 10 inches long, and inside you get 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And you also have the option to choose an elastic band, and it is adjustable, so that's everything. So I'm starting off this video showing you guys a semi application process. I began using my Got to Be Glued gel, and I did that off camera, and now I'm just gelling down the sides using my Got to Be Glued spray. So apparently I was trying to be grown and try a new technique on camera. That was a no-no. The application ended up working out, but Lord, the struggle was real. So right now I'm just making some baby hairs and just going in to make the baby hairs look a little bit more natural. I didn't want a defined like baby hair look, so you're going to see as this video goes on that I just kind of laid them down a little bit because I was going for like a 90-ish look, as you guys are going to see. A little bit more about this unit. The texture is Virgin Brazilian, as I stated once before. It is a Yaki texture, which I love. The length is 10 inches long. The density is 150% in the front, 180% in the back. I think the length and the density is perfect for this bob. It makes it so like everyday like. And like I always say, this is a unit that can be dressed up or dressed down, and I really appreciate that. The parting space goes back 4.5 inches long. I appreciate that the knots come bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. However, I did go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit more to make it suit my needs. As I mentioned before, OMGQueen is having their 3-year anniversary sale where all the units are 35 to 40% off. And if you order between now and August the 8th, you can access this sale. And if you just want to save a little bit more money, you can use my discount code O to save an extra 5% off your order. This hair does take heat very well. I have my flat iron up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this Yaki texture just looks so gorgeous and natural. So right now you're going to see me add this little, I don't know, it's kind of like a top knot little side ponytail action. It's something I just came up with off the top of my head, and I thought it was very 90-ish and youthful. And I was feeling myself, and you like really couldn't tell me nothing. So if you do decide to get this unit and this is a look that you would rock, I definitely suggest you trying it, because trust me sis, you're going to be fooling yourself. So if you're interested in checking out this unit, I will leave all the information down below, just as well as all the details. Go ahead and comment and let me know how you feel about this unit. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and don't forget to share and turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. We got the bomb. Can't drop the motherfucking bomb. Doja got the bomb. Yeah.